What problem do you face if you don't follow those rules? The problem is incoherence. Audience will not get what you're trying to say. They will see the craft, then the art itself. They will start looking, oh, this is something went wrong. The shot just went from there, and suddenly your attention is away from the story, and you're looking at some mistake. So that at that point you lost your audience.
To teach someone filmmaking in a single day is practically impossible. But for young, creative and curious minds, anything is possible. In order to educate young minds on the art of filmmaking, a filmmaking workshop was organized by SIFF 2014 and was hosted and conducted by Manipal University, Dubai for school children, wherein they were taught the 3 stages of filmmaking, namely pre-production, production and post-production. The Children's International Film Festival aims to encourage and nurture raw talent in filmmaking as well as promote films that inspire, influence and help root our children in the real world.
The workshop was really great, and it was really happy to see a lot of children participating with such enthusiasm, and they were very curious and interactive, and even the conductors were really great. We are expecting a lot of good movies from the children. That's the whole purpose. We are encouraging the children. We want to provide them a creative platform, and we are definitely seeing a lot of participation, so that's the positive part. I would just say, just go ahead with your idea, just create it, build it, as our caption says, imagine, create and inspire. That's really children can do. That's what you have to do.
The workshop began with a brief introduction by Mr. Deepak Jain, event director at SIFF, who introduced the workshop and spoke about the rules and regulations to the participants. The workshop served not only as a training ground but also provided the children with hands-on experience under the guidance of Sambram Patnaik, media faculty at Manipal, Dubai, who spoke about the technical aspects of camera and different types of shot sizes and angles.
The first one is extreme close-up shot, second is close-up shot, and third is medium shot, and fourth is medium wide shot, which is generally also called American shot, and 5 is wide shot, which is also called a full shot.
Siddharth Seth, media faculty at Manipal, Dubai, spoke about the importance of script writing and the 3-act structure.
It's very important to get clear in the beginning why write a screenplay at all. It is not so that you can show off your writing skills, but it is so that you can better communicate your idea to everybody else on the team. All right.
Shiva Prasad Nandkumar, media faculty at Manipal, Dubai, spoke about how filmmaking is incomplete without the element of sound. Though we might think of film as an essential visual experience, we really cannot afford to underestimate the importance of film sound.
In terms of sound design, right, to reinforce any scene, you can creatively use sound, okay? Sometimes you may not have a certain visual, certain things cannot be represented visually, okay? Thinking from inside somebody's head.
Sabir Haq, media faculty at Manipal, Dubai, conceptualized and designed the workshop with creative inputs from the SIFF team. He stitched the workshop together, beginning with how to come up with ideas, grammar of shots, building sequences, creation of the production team, and introduction to the post-production techniques. As per the feedback from our attendees, the workshop was a resounding success with the students who came from various schools from all over the UAE.
This is really exciting, very innovative and informative sessions. More about sound production, pre-production, post-production, which I absolutely had no knowledge. So I have learned quite a lot of things.
So my name is Farnaz Razai. Well, I've learned so many things about filmmaking, about camera and different camera angles and stuff like, and the film crews, and so many other things, so many interesting things that I didn't know before.
We think this is a great introduction to teach the kids a bit more about how to create their first film.
Manipal University, Dubai has extended its support to the festival as SIFF 2014's knowledge partner. SIFF is tentatively slated to take place in the first week of February. We look forward to replicate similar successes and strengthen this collaboration. With Brendan Lopez, Vishnu R. Shekhar, Rahul Menon and Zora Amin, This is Sandeep Kaur for Manipal Dubai TV.